Okay. Hello, everybody, and I'm with Caitlin and our friend from school, Roro. Wait, did you get it? What'd you trade her?
Stuff.
Tell me.
Who's at my dad?
So I'm gonna tell her that she's in a video.
She gave me the rare spike hair back. And she gave me the gold pirate sword back.
Oh my god.
She not give back to me. Who is that?
Check out
Wait, what did I
my
give her?
channel.
What?
Oh, dang it. Why can't I? Really?
What did I do? Wait, what did she say? Why did she say that?
Because I'm making her in a video.
Oh, she's excited.
Oh my gosh. This is probably about nothing.
It isn't about anything.
It isn't about anything. I just wanted to record Rowan.
I know! So it's like, I
A cocoa machine.
No.
Okay, so her name is Rowan. The girl that I'm FaceTiming with is Caitlin, and my name's Mackenzie.
Da, da, da.
Dun dun dun! And my little brother's named Caden. He's in one of my videos, and he's super annoying. Just like me. Oh my god, what happened? I just said that was annoying. I'm annoying. Aren't I, Caitlin? But you're annoying too. Rowan is actually kind of annoying too, and so is everybody else. Oh my goodness. Okay, that was random.
Oh, I traded her. Oh.
But also check out Snowflake AJ.
Snowflake?
Yeah. But also check out her channel because it's super cool and she's super rare. Yeah, she is.
Yeah.
I mean, look at that!
Is she on?
No, she logged off. But yeah. Yes! Oh, there she is! The little Rowan! Okay, I'm gonna stop right now. The video was here recording. Oh, Jesus. It wasn't even recording. That's so weird. Well, what happened?